Okay, you all carry around drink bottles, and you probably know the smaller ones are about 600 mils and the larger ones are about 750 mils, and this is referring to their capacity or their liquid volume, and that's what we're going to learn about today. So when you find the volume of a shape, the capacity is directly related to how big the container is. So we've got some interesting equalities here. If you have a volume of 1 centimetre cubed, now if you think of a 1 centimetre cube, it's 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. It's very tiny. Now in there you could put centimetres, you could put 1 mil of fluid, and we're talking about water here, 1 mil, and it would weigh 1 gram. So these are interesting equalities. Now if you have a bigger container, 10 by 10 by 10, sometimes you get fudge in those containers. Oops. Off the edge, and if it's 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres, you can fit a lot more in. You can actually fit in 1 litre of water, and it weighs 1 kilogram. So we can directly do these conversions. So if you have a 333 ml can of Coca-Cola, we'll assume that weighs the same as water, it weighs 333 grams and has a volume of 333 centimetres cubed. So it directly relates. Okay, so if you had a 250 centimetre can, it will hold 250 mils of water and it weighs 250 grams. And let's look at the larger one. A 40,000 centimetre tank, so 1,000 centimetres is 1 litre, so 40,000 centimetre tank will hold 40 litres and it will weigh 40 kilograms. So let's see if we can do some of these conversions. Okay, so 5 litres, and we want it in centimetres cubed, and we'll assume it's 5 litres of water. So we know that 1 litre is 1,000 centimetres cubed. So 5 litres is going to be 5 times as much as that, 5,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, 200 mils to centimetres cubed. Now because 1 mil is 1 gram is 1 centimetre cubed, that's the important one to remember, because you can usually convert the others if you know that. This is exactly 200 centimetres cubed, same number. And same with this one, centimetres cubed to mil, and it's going to be 30,000 mil. Okay, and the next one is centimetres cubed to grams. So centimetre cube is 1 gram, so 350 grams. Okay, litres to kilograms. Move that down. 4.5 litres to kilograms. Now we know that 1 litre is 1 kg, so that 4.5 litres will be 4.5 kg. Right, millilitres to kilograms. Now we know that 1 mil is 1 gram, so here we've got 4,500 mils. So change it to grams. And now we can just divide by 1,000 to change that to kilograms. So 4.5 kg. So sometimes it takes a couple of steps. And the last one of this type, 15.6 mils to grams, so exactly 15.6 grams. Okay, a square-based bucket with a base area of 200 centimetres squared. So you've got your base area is here, it's 200 centimetres squared, and a height of 40 centimetres, is filled to the top with water. How many litres of water will it hold? Okay, so we need to find the volume first of all. So the volume is, and always write V or whatever you're calculating. The base here is 200, so we know that, and the height times 40. So do that on your calculator. Got 8,000 now centimetres cubed. Now we know that 1 centimetre cubed is 1 mil, so that is directly 8,000 mil. And now we have to change it to litres, and you know to divide by 1,000, and so we've got 8 litres. So it's an 8 litre bucket, and that's about the size of the buckets. Okay, let's do some practice. Booklet, page 28 and 29.